back with JHT Survival. So if you haven't seen, posted a couple videos recently. I did like a whole breakdown of using a Dremel to make lockpicks by hand. I like to make all my own lockpicks. It's fun to do. You can, I can take 10 minutes and bust out my own pick. I can customize them to locks, make some for specific locks. So I'm breaking down my original video into 3 separate videos, just showing so the first one is the full video from start to finish. It's about 45 minutes long. Second video is that edited down into just the how to make a pick portion of it. And this one is going to be the last part of the video where I use the pick to pick a lock. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. It's fun to make these, make the picks and pick your own lock. I think that lock picking is actually a pretty important part of survival skill to have, if just in general. Knowing the mechanisms and the way that locks and access mechanisms work. If you're in a situation where you have to gain access to something, or if you're stuck somewhere, it's good to know how to get out, how to get through, locked doors, locked, padlocks, whatever. Not necessarily for illegal shit. Would never condone anything illegal. A lot simpler than you'd think. Here's a few of the picks that I've made just in the past week or so. Fucking pretty simple, easy ones. Nothing crazy about them. Made out of windshield wiper inserts. But you can go check out the video. Like I said, this part's gonna be showing me picking a lock, but the tension wrench I made. There's another one. But yeah, go check those out. Hopefully more videos come soon. And I didn't even hit record. So that is about it. A couple minutes, we got ourselves a lock pick, and we can get into anything we want. Sometimes I will make a little handle on it sometimes for better grip. We're doing this quick, so I'm not gonna do it, but you can do anything you want. Like I'll just wrap it with tape, just to have something to hold on to a little better. But I'm pretty confident that I will not need to for this lock. So as we saw, this was this was a perfectly functioning lock. The keys in it, comes off, goes back on. No fucking tricks. There's the keys on the fucking table right here in the background, and we'll watch the magic in action. And by magic I mean my fucking skill. So you wanna get your finger on that, get a little tension, get the pick in. I'm not gonna lie, it's been quite a while since I did this, so may need to adjust this pick a little bit, but See, the only problems, like, you can... I gotta make sure I can actually get this all the way in. Yeah. I got a pretty solid hook on it. With locks like this, if I go bottom of the keyway, sometimes I don't like as much of a hook as I got. Come on, fucker. I don't know if I got all that on camera, but let's so on this one, try to make sure I'm focused. It's been a long, that's the first lock I've picked in a long time, so I will jam this pick. I do things not conventionally, honestly, so but yeah, we'll get this pick. Again, this was a quick one. Not the best pick, but I can smooth it out a little bit, make it better. So we got the picks in there, got tension on it in the back, all the way to the back of the keyway. Now, gotta work around the fucking shit a little bit. So here's some clicks. Sorry, it's not focusing. Next pin. This is too hooked to do this, really. Alright, I'll try. Hold on. Reset. Alright, pin 1, loose. Pin 2, loose. Having trouble getting to 3 and 4 there. So I got 4 to click, maybe, or 3. Coming up to 2 and 1, and it's open. Voila. So like I picked that one, and I can tell, like, it, you know, so I would adjust this with that one. I mean, this is a small pick. Going bottom of the keyway like that, you don't need much of a hook. So really what I'd want to do on this one is flatten this hook out a little bit. So I'll take a file and just kind of adjust the angle of the pick a little bit out more. So it's not as fucking steep. Because I'm getting kind of caught up a little bit, going all the way to the back of the keyway there. Kind of smooth it out a little bit. And just like a slight, you probably can't even tell on camera, but I made like just the ever slightest adjustment on that to kind of change the angle. And let's see if it works a little better here. I mean, I can already feel I can get it deeper, easier. Yeah. Alright, so don't want too much tension. The real key to lock picking is how much tension you're putting on the lock in reality. So I got nothing on 1. I think I got pin 2 to click. I'm not gonna lie, it's fucking cold in here. I'm having trouble feeling this. Voila. So that little adjustment, I mean, you know, can get a little better movement in there, but I took a little bit of the depth off of it, so I'm was having a little trouble hitting the higher set pin in the back. If you look at the key, you can see, so like when you're picking, that's the height you need to push the pin to. So you see that low set one, you got to get around that and set the 2 behind it up high. But yeah, so there we go. We got the Dremel 4000. Fucking awesome, great tool, worked out great, and we made a little pick and tensioner all in a short amount of time. Picked a lock, and we're fucking happy. Enjoy. Hopefully we got more videos coming, and you know, watch some old ones.